So all knowledge from this video came from my genetic class, PowerPoints, textbooks, all that stuff, and then all the pictures came from wikipedia.org, nytimes.com, ghirardelli.com, cadburyusa.com, samsclub.com, candywarehouse.com, candydistrict.com, and Meijer.com, and as you can see in the picture, they are labeled to which picture goes to which website. So I did a phylogenetic tree made with candy bars, and a phylogenetic tree is a graphical representation of degrees of similarity between OTUs. OTUs are operational taxonomic units, and those are based on the differences in their DNA sequences. So they are represented as the candy bars here. When looking at a phylogenetic tree, you can see that the shortest branches are the ones that are most commonly related to each other, and then you can see where they diverge to because of the nodes and the connections between that, and then where the most common earliest ancestor is. So we can see that three groups are all around at the same time, and they are all pretty commonly related to one another. So Mr. Goodbar and Hershey's almond are related to each other because they both are milk chocolate with a type of nut in it. Snickers and Milky Way are related because they are clearly nougat, milk chocolate, and caramel. Ghirardelli milk chocolate with caramel and caramello are also most commonly related to each other because they are just milk chocolate and caramel. Then you can take those and you can tell that all of those involved cladogenesis because cladogenesis is the splitting of one lineage into two lineages, and anagenesis is the evolution within a lineage over time. So right here, you can see this is anagenesis, and you can see that it turns into cladogenesis because they separate into two branches. You can also see that this could be anagenesis because you can see that it could evolve from this point and it could change from here to here. So cladogenesis also leads to biological diversity because during cladogenesis, more species exist at the same time. So these species exist at the same time, these species exist, and these species exist. Then we can look at nodes and see what diverges from what. So these two diverge to this group, and then this group is most commonly related to this group. We can also see that caramello and Ghirardelli milk chocolate with caramel are clearly mostly related to this node, which is Ghirardelli dark chocolate, and then Ghirardelli dark chocolate is also related to Hershey's milk chocolate, and that is because they are both plain solid chocolates and there's no filling or nuts or anything in them. Then we can see that the out group is Toblerone, and the out group is an OTU that is known to have diverged the earliest than all the other OTUs, and it is also different than all the other OTUs. You can see that it is significantly different. So we can tell that Toblerone is our OTU because all of the other ones are bar-like, and Toblerone is a triangle shape. So Toblerone shows that it is the earliest and everything else diverged from it because it is at the root of the tree. So remember, Toblerone is our earliest ancestor and it is the outgroup.